5 brutal mistakes women make before a Brazilian wax. Hey ladies! Are you tired of getting your Brazilian wax game on point only to have it ruined by some pre-wax blunders? Well, today we re-spilling all the beans on the top 5 most brutal mistakes women make before a Brazilian wax. And let us tell you, these mistakes can save you from some serious pain, redness, and irritation down under. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to prep like a pro for your next wax. You don't want to miss this! Mistake no. 1. Shaving down there. We know it might be tempting to give your lady bits a trim before your appointment. But trust us when we say that shaving is a big The hair needs to be long enough for the wax to grab onto, so it can pull it out from the root. If you show up with freshly shaved skin, the wax won't have anything to hold onto and it won't remove the hair effectively. Plus, you end up with a bunch of pesky ingrown hairs that will leave you with bumps and redness. Nobody wants that! Not to mention that shaving can cause cuts and nicks, which can lead to infection if bacteria get trapped in the open wounds. And let's not forget about the razor burn. It's real and it's painful. Trust us. Skipping the shave and letting your hair grow out a bit is the best way to go. Remember, longer hair means more waxable surface area and a better chance for those stubborn hairs to be removed. Just think of it as a little bit of patience that will pay off in the end. A good rule of thumb is to aim for hair that's about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch long. That way you'll be giving the wax the best chance of success in keeping those pesky ingrown hairs at bay. Mistake number 2, using harsh skincare products. Let's talk skincare. We know you've got a million products you swear by, but when it comes to the delicate skin down there, you need to be extra careful about what you're putting on it. Certain ingredients, like retinol, glycolic acid, and salicylic acid can cause irritation and dryness, which is the last thing you want before a wax. These ingredients are great for the rest of your skin, but they can cause some serious havoc on your lady bits. The skin in the bikini area is already sensitive and prone to irritation, so it's important to keep it happy and healthy. We recommend swapping out those harsh products for something a bit more gentle, especially in the days leading up to your wax. Look for products that are specifically designed for sensitive skin or for use in the bikini area. Trust us, your skin will thank you for it. And remember, it is always a good idea to test any new product on a small area of your skin before going all out. That way you can be sure you're not having any adverse reactions before you get waxed. You'll want to avoid any harsh scrubs or exfoliating products as well. The last thing you want is to show up for your wax with irritated red skin. Not only will the wax be less effective, but you'll also be in for a world of hurt. Instead, opt for a gentle exfoliating scrub that's specifically designed for sensitive skin. You can even make your own natural exfoliant by mixing sugar and lemon juice and gently rubbing it onto the area. But please be gentle. Don't go overboard with the scrubbing. You just want to remove any dead skin cells without causing any damage to the skin itself. And once you've exfoliated, make sure to moisturize. This is one of the most important steps in preparing for your wax. The skin in the bikini area is prone to dryness and irritation, so it's important to keep it hydrated. Use a gentle, non-irritating moisturizer on the days leading up to your wax to keep the skin soft and pliable. This will help prevent tears and discomfort during the waxing process. So don't skip this step. Your skin will thank you. Mistake no. 3. Not drinking enough water. Oh, Hydration Nation, you may not realize it, but drinking enough water is crucial for your body, including your skin. When you're dehydrated, your skin can become dry, flaky, and irritated, which is the last thing you want before a wax. Plus, proper hydration helps your body eliminate toxins and waste, which can also contribute to healthy, glowing skin. It's important to drink water throughout the day, not just before your appointment, but in the few days leading up to your wax, it's especially important to stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day and listen to your body. If you're thirsty, take a drink. And remember, you should never suffer from dehydration in silence. Your skin will let you know when you're not hydrated enough, so pay attention to those signs and drink up. We know it might seem like a small detail, but trust us, your skin will thank you for it. Mistake no. 4. Waiting too long between waxes. Okay, let's talk hair growth because it's important to find the right timing for your wax appointments. We know life gets busy, and it can be tempting to wait as long as possible between appointments. But trust us when we say that waiting too long can be a major mistake. When you wait too long to wax, the hair grows longer and thicker, making it more difficult to remove. As the hair gets thicker, it becomes more deeply rooted in the skin, making it harder to pull out during the wax. And let's not forget about those pesky ingrown hairs. Waiting too long between waxes can increase the likelihood of them occurring, leaving you with bumpy, irritated skin. Nobody wants that. Not to mention that as the hair grows longer, it can also become more tangled and matted, making it harder for the wax to grip and pull out effectively. This can result in broken hairs and missed spots, leaving you with an uneven wax job. Nobody wants that either. To avoid these issues, it is important to find a balance between waiting long enough for the hair to grow out, but not so long that it becomes difficult to remove. Most experts recommend waxing every 4 to 6 weeks, but it's important to find what works best for you and your hair growth cycle. That way, you'll be able to achieve the smoothest, most comfortable results possible. So don't wait too long between waxes. Your skin will thank you for it. Mistake no! 5. Wearing the wrong clothing. We all love a good outfit, but when it comes to your waxing appointment, it is important to wear something that makes it easy to get in and out of that comfy wax position. Trust us, you won't want to be struggling to remove your clothes or trying to balance on one leg while you take them off. It's not only awkward, but it can also cause discomfort and even injury. So, what should you wear? Well, anything that's loose and flowy is your best bet. Think wide-legged pants, maxi skirts, or dresses that you can easily pull up and down. You'll also want to avoid anything with buttons or zippers near the waistline because, believe us, you won't be able to do them up after your wax. And let's not forget about underwear. You'll want to ditch the thongs and bikinis for something more comfortable, like a high-waisted brief or a full brief. Thongs can leave marks on your skin, causing discomfort during the wax. And let's not forget that high-waisted briefs can actually help hold your cheeks apart, making the waxing process easier and more efficient. But remember, comfort is key. You want to feel relaxed and at ease during your appointment. So choose an outfit that allows you to do just that. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 most brutal mistakes women make before a Brazilian wax. We hope you learned something new and, most importantly, how to prep like a pro for your next appointment. Remember, it's all about the small details. So don't overlook the power of hydration, the importance of proper clothing, and the impact of skincare on your waxing experience. We know it can be tempting to try and do things yourself, but it's always best to leave the waxing to the professionals. With a little bit of knowledge and preparation, you'll be able to keep those mistakes at bay and achieve the smooth, silky legs you've always dreamed of. So go ahead and book that appointment. Treat yourself to a little self-care and get ready to flaunt those gorgeous pins. And remember, you're beautiful just the way you are.